Look how cute this shirt is. It's all crescent moon design. So cute. What's the other one? This one, Tumblr vibes. What's on? Oh, it was on the opposite way. That's so cute. We're at Burlington too. We're gonna look around, see if there's anything good. We found some Hello Kitty. Is there anything on the back of this?
No, it's just a plain one.
Oh, it's just plain. Oh, okay.
But then like on the side, just right here,
Wait, on the side?
it just says always be kind.
Wait, let me see. Where? Oh, okay. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's so cute. This bomber jacket is so cute. That one's simple. A nice little sweatshirt. Los Angeles too. This is new. It's a cute little wristlet from Michael Kors. Very cute. This one's cute. A Tommy Hilfiger backpack. I have so much of those purses. There's also a lot of new purses I haven't seen before. It's a little bit messy, but... Oh, what's this? Oh, those are pretty. It's a red and a brown one. Oh, this one's cute. Look how cute this throw is. Oh my god, I kind of want it. It's so cute. We got some tomato design. And then there's also this right here, the strawberry. So cute. Oh, I just noticed this is a lemon one too. Just want to show you guys how extra this clock is. And then compared to the other clocks near it. Very simple. Look how cute this is. Oh, it's so cute. There's also this one right here. Some flowers. So much notebooks. I found this one too. This one's so cute. Look how cute these snow globes are. They're all like Easter themes. Oh, it's so cute. To the checkout we go. Thanks for watching.